Hi, I'm Oskar Sandberg. I'm CEO and founder of Marine Charging Point. We build charging systems for the marine environment, meaning we install them on board vessels and ships, but also in the harbors. And with regards to the superyacht industry, basically what we're looking to do is to deploy this charging infrastructure for all of the tender boats on board superyachts, which are increasingly becoming electrified. So battery electric tender vessels is becoming very popular right now, and we are looking to get into the new build projects and also do retrofit systems with all kind of clients all over the world.
My name is Mohammed Al Ubaidi, and this is Jochen Schumann. We are founders of eFalke, a Swiss company based north of Zurich. We focus on high-end electrification products for marine industry. The name eFalke, Falke is Falcon in German, and we chose Falcon because our products are super compact, super efficient, but very powerful. We produce 300 kilowatt, 400 horsepower, three versions: an outboard, an inboard, and a stern drive. And we focus on high power products, bigger boats starting at 26 all the way up. You compare those, the stern drive and the outboard, in parallel to achieve bigger boats, displacements. We feel that the electrification is ready today. A lot of people think that's distant future. We feel is ready today. The battery technology is ready today. Lithium batteries are going now is a long way from the 2000, 2010. We feel that this industry is on the verge to kind of go all electric.
Good morning. I'm Hunter Parker, the sales director for Thermodynamica USA. And Thermodynamica is a relatively newcomer to the super yacht industry. We're about 15 years old, but we come with an innovative solution in HVAC in particular. We also offer advanced thermal management solutions, battery cooling, switchboard cooling. We also offer waste heat recovery options as well. So our founder, CTO, Marita Trepea, saw the need for some innovation, especially in the HVAC market in the superyacht industry. There really hasn't been much innovation. There have been incremental changes over the last 20 or 30 years, but no major developments. And we saw this opportunity and we seized upon it, and we've had a really great market reaction to our products. We are an innovative company. We offer a sustainable product. The efficiency levels that we achieve with our technology range from 50 to 70+% compared to the existing solutions on the market, which, considering the demand of the HVAC system on the domestic load, the auxiliary power consumption, this can be a rather phenomenal number. So we're saving our clients fuel, we're saving them money, and we're helping reduce the CO2 emissions into the environment. This was a real need in the market, and because of that, we found a really nice adoption rate, and we continue to grow, and we're very excited with where we are and where we're going. The particular technology that we offer the industry is variable refrigerant volume HVAC technology, and that, coupled with our innovative in-house designed software, is how we achieve these phenomenal numbers. We've taken the existing chilled water solution model and applied the direct expansion technology to replace it. So we've eliminated the chilled water loop, the secondary pump, and rather than having a system that's essentially on all the time, without regard to whether the cabins or other zones need cooling, it's always working. So that inefficiency was ripe for change. And what we've done is we've said, okay, let's make the air handlers in each individual zone the master rather than the slave to the need. And because of that, and with the precision control that we have with our system, we're able to provide a performance enhanced system that provides reliability and cooling that just really can't even be compared to the existing solutions.
So my name is Jamie Robinson, Business Development Manager from Helix in the UK. We've been developing electric motors for the past 15 years, predominantly in motorsport and high-end automotive. One of our main USPs is our continuous power and continuous torque, which makes us very suitable for the marine industry. Our motors have a diverse range of potential applications, including outboards, stern drives, hybridized gensets, and many others as well. And what we have here today are 3 of our platform motors, which range in diameter. Some of the motors are high speed and low torque, and others are high torque and low speed. So we feel we have a potential solution for many different applications across the marine industry and sector. Okay, so this is our smallest platform, the SPC 177. This ranges from 100 kilowatts to 320 kilowatts and ranges from around 12 to 20 kilos. So extremely power dense, extremely torque dense. Our SPC 242, which is our medium range, in what it's shown in its current form here, is a 300 kilowatt continuous motor from 33 kilos. And then in the far right hand side is the SPC 330. That's a 420 kilowatt machine from just 50 kilos.
Yeah, hi. My name is Johan Burian. I'm representing PowerCell Sweden. We're here today and with our fuel cells, and fuel cells is a thing that works and runs on hydrogen and creates electricity, and is completely emission free. So it's very relevant to different segments that is now looking at decarbonization, like the maritime industry. So here at Electric Hybrid Marine, we are talking about different segments of the marine industry, like super yachts, for instance, that are highly interested in this technology, as it's very nice to deploy. It's a modular solution. You can scale it from 500 kilowatts up to several megawatts. So it's a scalable and I wouldn't say it's affordable, and it's available technology. Yeah, so typically a installation of a fuel cell system could look something like this. You have a fuel cell that is sitting just behind the fuel tank here. So here is the fuel cell system. You have a fuel tank of perhaps liquid hydrogen, as in this case. Um, this liquid hydrogen tank can hold a lot of energy. So it's 140 megawatt hours of energy. That's a lot of energy, but in terms of the total energy on board, it's roughly 2% of the energy stored on board of a super yacht. So it's perhaps an unreasonable amount of energy but you have to travel the oceans and travel to the Caribbean and back. So that that's the requirements. The value proposition that we have with this fuel cell is that we can run basically zero emission when you're slow steaming between a port and a nice location where you when you want to have fun. So it's actually a very nice feature that way. You can run your hotel loads, so the air conditioning, the pool, the gym can be cold, and you can all rest assured it's running on hydrogen and a complete zero emission.
I'm Matteo Zangrandi. My background is naval engineering, and I'm team leader for the hybrid division of Vulcan Group. We are a German-based company with 18 subsidiaries all over the world and 1,500 employees. We are mainly engaged and historically engaged in production and supply of flexible couplings and resilient mounts to reduce vibration and noise on board, mainly, and for the power transmission. We have this division also engaged in the system integration of full propulsion packages like hybrid or full electric with plenty of different configuration. We are also engaged in the mega yacht industry with this activity, of course, also with our core business. We also make truss bearing, for example, and tail shaft coupling. For the hybrid, we have developed a series of standard and custom system for mega yachts starting from the parallel hybrid to the serial hybrid configuration, where we can bring into this industry a new higher standard of efficiency and eco-friendly propulsion that can really achieve new performance levels.
My name is Donald Williams, and I'm with Northern Lights, and we're here presenting at the Electric and Hybrid Marine Show with MAN. We're showing the latest, greatest in hybrid technology that we're bringing to the market. As you can see here, MAN has a very impressive show unit that's an integrated motor generator system that's coupled directly through an electromagnetic clutch to the engine, and then proceeds on to the reduction gear and to the propeller. This system obviously reduces the amount of equipment that's required when setting up a hybrid system. It's equivalent to a parallel hybrid approach to power and has the versatility of offering many modes of operation, including just electric propulsion, diesel propulsion with electric boost, electric generation through the main engine, and several others that are presented here in this billboard that we have behind us. Okay, we're also showing our inverter generator system, which we sell as an ignition protected generator, but is also based on a permanent magnet generator that feeds into an onboard inverter that's able to provide very, very clean, very stable power to the loads. Northern Lights is also partnering with motor manufacturers to provide propulsion and generator motors for the hybrid industry. These are permanent magnet-based, very high efficiency motor generators that will be integrated to existing diesel systems and diesel hybrid, serial hybrid type designs. The motor comes with its drive, which is here also in display. That drive is capable of acting as a drive for the motor, but at the same time as an inverter for the motor. Northern Lights sees hybrid as a way of providing many more options to the operator, beyond the fact that it also helps in managing emissions by operating in electric mode or in diesel mode or both.
Blake Jackson with Wärtsilä. So Wärtsilä is the world leader in delivering technology to the marine industry. We've been around for about 180 years now. Our product line includes everything from propulsion systems, integrated electrical systems, battery hybrid systems. We're also a world leader in engine manufacturing engines. Our engines today currently run on methanol, ammonia, and biofuels. Of course, these technologies are applicable to all the different markets. Everything from ferries and cruise ships to super yachts as well. Yeah, so you can implement all kinds of technologies to improve efficiency in your vessel or reduce emissions. Some of those technologies could be even advanced control systems, dynamic positioning systems that can increase the operability of the vessel compared to a human. Battery technology's come a long way in the last 10 years. We've been at the forefront of delivering that. We're actually the world leader in delivering battery hybrid technology to marine offshore vessels. Some of the hybrid vessels we've delivered have been operating for over 5 years now, so there's a lot of proven data there to prove that we're reducing emissions and we're also improving fuel efficiency. So Wärtsilä is a leader in engine manufacturing with a focus on green and sustainability technology. Our mission statement is enabling sustainable societies with smart technologies, so that tells you kind of what our focus is on. We're trying to be part of the solution and coming to net zero 2050 goal. That's been kind of at the forefront of our focus for last 20 years, I'd say. Um, we don't say that we're going to decide what that future fuel is. We say we'll adapt to it, right? So our engines are adaptable to all these different fuel sources. Currently today, you could run bio LNG, bio ammonia, and you can create a net zero system just from that alone, without going full electric.
Hi, I'm Richard Roper. I'm the COO of Duction. Duction offers a hybrid marine solution that can allow yachts and other types of vessels to be hybrid in a convenient and cost-effective manner. We achieve this with a split gearbox that is coupled to an integrated motor and drive. So this can be done without a shipyard visit. This can be done without major surgery to the vessel. We're not disturbing the shaft line. We're not having to realign the shaft. We're not putting any external force into the shaft. You just simply are taking this machine on board and building it up around your existing shaft line. And as we all know, there's not an overabundance of space in engine rooms. And we've made this machine very compact. This is a high-speed electric motor generator. And it's geared down to your shaft speed for your propeller speed. And so power can flow both ways. There's a lot of benefits to this. One is you can save 40 to 50% of your fuel cost, kilowatt per kilowatt, versus using an oxygen to create your electrical power. So, and that might equate to about 5% of your overall fuel cost over the life of the vessel. This is also providing a backup propulsion. So if you're a single engine vessel and you lose an engine, this will get you home. We tend to size it so that it has about a third of the power of your main engine, so we can achieve about half of your service speed. But if you're yachting and you're wanting quiet play days and zero emissions, this is no vibrations, and you're just can go around at a low speed. So we have generator replacement, we have backup propulsion. Some vessels will go full zero emission, achieve via batteries or fuel cells, most likely for longer duration. Maybe sometimes you just want to go a little faster, and this electrical power can be added to the shaft to increase the overall power. So you can actually boost using a boost mode to boost the speed.
My name is Guillaume. I lead the marine business for Leclanché. Leclanché is a 112 years old battery maker. And we are in the marine industry for about 13, 15 years now with a lot of experience we are learning from. Obviously, sustainability is not an option anymore. We have to go there. There's new regulations coming as well. So, but then how you do it, there's multiple ways of doing it, and battery is one of them. Why? Because it's a proven technology. We've done it for many years. We know it works, and we are only ready to industrialize it further with higher production capacity, with newer, better technology that makes the solution not only better in performance, but better in safety and also more affordable. The only thing I wanted maybe to insist on is on how to select batteries. There's multiple makers, multiple chemistry, but most importantly, select the right cell with the right chemistry. This is ours. The huge differentiation we have at Leclanché is that we are an actual battery maker. We make those ourselves in our factory in Germany, and we make them for marine. This is why we know that in most circumstances, we have the best chemistry. It's about having the right ratio, energy density and life cycle, not one or the other, but having both at the same time. And this is what we do at Leclanché with an innovative breakthrough chemistry called NMCA, where the A increase energy density while keeping our high life cycle that we already had in the past. So chemistry, very important, that's the cell. The other very important consideration in selecting a battery, the cooling. And at Leclanché, we believe in water cooling. Why? Because it allows the module to be a lot closer to each other, increasing energy density, smaller, lighter system, but also increasing lifetime as we have a very good control of the temperature in which the battery is being operated. Third point, active safety system. The safety is a huge matter, and in Leclanché, we believe in active safety system. We are capable of injecting water in any defective module in case of thermal event, whatever the reason. We inject water and stop the fire this way. It's actually stopped before any fire. It makes the system extremely safe, active safety system. That's what we supply at Leclanché. And finally, it's not good enough to have a sustainable fleet with batteries, but what about how the batteries are manufactured? And at Leclanche, we have the lowest carbon footprint in making batteries. We are water-based. We don't use the nasty NMP solvent in our slurry. We don't use the man-made chemical called PFAS. That is a very permanent, nasty chemical. So the batteries are 95% recyclable. With the high material content in there, you would actually get a lot of money for recycling them. And so those things matter. Being a true battery maker, making the cells, the water cooling for the cooling system, the active safety system, increasing the safety, and finally the manufacturing process without PFAS. We have about 6 to maybe 8 orders right now we are delivering batteries to. And everything I explained makes our system a lot smaller, a lot more compact, lighter, so that it allows you to have more energy in a given space, but also in a safe way. So we are supplying to the likes of San Lorenzo, but not only. And indeed, we find ourselves being a good fit for the yachting industry.
Hey, I'm Dave Brown. I'm with Volvo Penta, who's been in the boating industry for many, many years, over 100 years. So we're here today at our exhibition for electric and hybrid in the marine market, and we're here showing a little bit about what Volvo Penta does in the market today in trying to reduce our emissions and carbon footprint. We're doing that with a variety of different technologies, but first and foremost, just utilizing a standard yacht that you might have out in the field. We're actually running with our IPS system, and the IPS system will actually provide a reduction in fuel consumption, as well as at the same time frame by 30% with the reduction in the emissions that goes with that. We also have the ability to run with any of our engines that are used within the yachting industry is running 100% HVO. If you did not know that, you have the ability to get that in the water today and really show a reduction in your carbon footprint. We are making some major strides in innovations in new technologies to run with hybrid, as well as the ability to run all electric solutions. So there's a lot of exciting things that are coming from Volvo Penta here in the near future.